generic gaming controller holder is an essential accessory for any gamer who values both functionality and aesthetics. Crafted from high-quality hand-painted resin, this stand not only securely cradles your PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch controllers, but also serves as a versatile phone stand, easily accommodating most smartphones. Its robust construction ensures your devices remain safe and accessible, while the sleek, modern design enhances the overall look of your gaming setup. Whether you're looking to declutter your space or simply want to showcase your gear with style, this durable holder offers a perfect blend of practicality and visual appeal. The ZOTAC Mech Hero G3 A7646i Spider-Man Edition is a formidable gaming machine that seamlessly blends cutting-edge performance with iconic style. Powered by the robust AMD Ryzen 5 7600 processor and the latest ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card, this PC delivers exceptional speed and breathtaking visuals that bring your games to life with stunning realism. The inclusion of 16GB DDR5 memory operating at a blazing 6,000 megatests per second ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast load times, keeping you ahead in every virtual battle. Beyond its impressive internals, the system boasts exclusive Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse design elements, featuring eye-catching magnetic backplates and bespoke fan emblems that add a dynamic and personalized touch to your setup. Elevate your gaming setup with the Govee Glide Y lights, a striking fusion of contemporary design and cutting-edge technology. Crafted from a blend of sleek metal and durable plastic, these LED wall lights bring a touch of sophistication to any room. Boasting over 16.8 million vibrant color options, they offer limitless possibilities for customizing your ambiance. The advanced RGBIC technology allows for dynamic color transitions, with each edge of the panels capable of displaying different hues simultaneously, creating mesmerizing effects like smooth gradients and cascading colors. The music mode feature syncs the lights to your favorite tunes, adding a rhythmic visual element that enhances the atmosphere for parties or immersive gaming sessions. With the Govee Glide Y lights, your space becomes not just a room, but an experiential canvas of light and color. The Divoom Ditoo retro pixel art game Bluetooth speaker is a delightful blend of nostalgia and modern technology, offering a unique experience for any tech enthusiast. This compact speaker is not just about delivering crisp, high-quality audio. It doubles as a customizable art display, with its 16x16 LED screen capable of showcasing vibrant pixel art, animations, and even notifications. The tactile satisfaction of the backlit mechanical key switches enhances the retro aesthetic, evoking the charm of vintage arcade machines. Beyond its quirky design, the Ditoo excels in connectivity, offering seamless Bluetooth pairing and a variety of interactive features, such as an alarm clock, social media notifications, and a smart assistant. Ideal for retro lovers and gadget collectors, the Divoom Ditoo is a conversation starter that brings a touch of whimsy to any room, while also being a functional tech companion. The FIFINE XLR-USB dynamic microphone stands out as a dual-function microphone, catering to both podcasters and streamers who value versatility in their audio equipment. This microphone's dual connectivity, USB and XLR, provides flexibility, allowing seamless integration into both beginner and professional setups. The audio quality delivered through the XLR connection is particularly noteworthy, offering rich, clear sound that captures every detail of your voice, making it ideal for content creation. The built-in mute button is a handy feature for quick audio control during live sessions, while the customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of personal flair to your recording space. However, users have pointed out that the microphone may pick up some background noise, though this can typically be addressed with post-production noise reduction tools or software. Despite this minor drawback, the FIFINE XLR-USB dynamic microphone presents an excellent value proposition for creators who are looking to enhance their audio quality without a substantial investment. The the exquisite gaming Call of Duty Monkey Bomb cable guy is more than just a functional accessory. It's a standout piece of memorabilia for any gaming enthusiast. This meticulously crafted 8.5-inch figure captures the essence of the iconic Monkey Bomb from the Call of Duty series, with striking attention to detail, from its mischievous expression to the textured finish of its rugged PVC material. Designed to hold your mobile phone, gaming controller, or other handheld devices, the Monkey Bomb is as sturdy as it is stylish, with a weighted base that provides exceptional stability. Whether you're looking to organize your gaming space or simply want a unique display piece that reflects your love for the COD universe, this collectible combines practical utility with nostalgic charm, making it a perfect addition to any room or office. The Divoom LED light display panel elevates your space by transforming it into a dynamic visual experience, ideal for gamers, movie enthusiasts, and music lovers alike. Featuring a stunning array of 16 million colors and intricate pixel art animations, this display panel seamlessly syncs with smart light bars to create a mesmerizing ambiance that responds to your entertainment. The intuitive app unlocks a world of creativity, allowing you to craft custom designs on a DIY drawing board or choose from an extensive gallery of pre-made animations. Music lovers will appreciate the panel's ability to sync with your favorite tunes, creating an immersive light show that pulses to the rhythm. Although the app's interface may require some patience, the vibrant display and artistic possibilities make this panel a standout addition to any room, adding a touch of personalized flair and interactive decor. The JL 16-inch large digital wall clock is an impressive addition to any room, boasting a vibrant 16-inch display that offers 8 color options, including 4 pure and 4 dynamic RGB colors. This ensures that it not only catches the eye from any angle, but also serves as a striking decorative element in your space. Designed with practicality in mind, it features a built-in nightlight that emits a gentle glow, perfect for those midnight walks without disturbing your sleep. Versatile in its placement, this clock can be wall-mounted or elegantly positioned on a desk, all controlled with ease via the included remote. With automatic daylight saving time adjustments and adaptive brightness that responds to the surrounding light, it's crafted to ensure comfort and convenience. Ideal for a wide range of settings, from living rooms to offices and classrooms, this clock is particularly thoughtful as a gift for loved ones, especially seniors. Operating on a simple plug-in system, it includes a long 11.5-foot cord and retains your settings even after power disconnection, making it as reliable as it is stylish. The Pitaka Air Omni is a revolutionary 6-in-1 wireless charging station designed to streamline your tech life. This multifunctional gadget effortlessly accommodates a variety of devices, including iPhones, Android phones, Apple Watches, AirPods, Samsung earbuds, and even iPads, all simultaneously. It features a distinctive Lightning to Type-C toggling adapter, allowing you to switch between connectors seamlessly. The chain coil charging pad guarantees reliable power delivery no matter how you position your devices. Additionally, its pop-up Apple Watch charging module and LED illuminated side drawer for small items like jewelry and SIM cards enhance convenience. The Air Omni's versatile tablet charging capabilities, which support both horizontal and vertical orientations, combined with its travel-friendly weight of just over 1.8 pounds, 830 grams, make it a cost-effective, space-saving solution for all your charging needs. The Chairmeister Self-Balance Chair offers a revolutionary approach to ergonomic seating by replicating the benefits of horseback riding. Its innovative design encourages a natural riding posture, enhancing spinal alignment and easing muscle tension. Unlike conventional chairs, this model features a dynamic 360-degree movement that engages core muscles and alleviates pressure on your lower back, hips, and thighs. The 8-degree tilt function, backed by patented technology, maintains your riding stance and promotes self-balance, while the wide base ensures stability. Additionally, the chair's height adjustment and swivel capabilities allow for a fully customizable seating experience, adapting to your unique needs and preferences. The 12 South High-Rise for MacBook is a standout accessory for anyone looking to enhance their workspace ergonomics and style. Designed to elevate your MacBook to eye level, this stand effectively alleviates neck and back strain, making long hours of work or video calls much more comfortable. Its sleek, minimalist design not only complements the aesthetic of your desk, but also provides a sturdy and adjustable platform that securely holds your laptop. The High-Rise's build quality is top-notch, featuring a solid metal construction that feels both durable and premium. Its easy setup and intuitive design ensure that your laptop remains cool, while the elevated position improves airflow and reduces overheating. This stand is an excellent choice for boosting productivity while maintaining a polished, organized desk environment. The Aero of MK01 Air Purifier is a sleek and efficient solution for enhancing indoor air quality in spaces up to 215 feet square, 20 meters squares. Equipped with dual-channel and 360-degree air intake, this purifier ensures thorough air circulation and purification, tackling common pollutants like smoke, pollen, pet dander, and dust with ease. Its advanced filtration system is designed to trap even the smallest particles, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. The unit operates quietly, making it ideal for bedrooms and other quiet spaces, especially with its dedicated sleep mode. For added ambiance, you can infuse your room with your preferred essential oils, creating a pleasant and personalized atmosphere. Regular maintenance is straightforward, with the filter cartridge needing replacement every 3 to 6 months to maintain peak performance. The AirThorel 500ml ultrasonic flame diffuser blends advanced technology with stylish design to elevate any room. This diffuser's innovative LED lights simulate a realistic flame effect, creating a cozy ambiance without the heat, while its nano mist function delivers soothing moisture to the air. The generous 500ml water tank ensures up to 14 hours of uninterrupted misting, minimizing the need for frequent refills. Its compact size and vegan leather handle make it highly portable, perfect for moving from room to room. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly control settings, adjust light colors, and set timers using the Area app from anywhere. Ideal for enhancing home offices, yoga spaces, or gym environments, it also makes a thoughtful gift. For a personalized touch, add your favorite essential oil, sold separately, to enjoy aromatic benefits and improve air quality. The Ugreen Nexode 5-port 300-watt charger stands out with its impressive 300 watts power capacity, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously with ease. Designed to support fast charging for up to 3 laptops, it features dedicated USB-C ports that deliver robust power outputs of 140 watts, 100 watts, and 60 watts, respectively. Equipped with cutting-edge GaN, gallium nitride, chips, this charger not only ensures efficient energy conversion, but also maintains superior cooling performance to prevent overheating. Its universal compatibility makes it a versatile choice for a range of devices, from smartphones to laptops. The package includes the Nexode 300-watt GaN charger, a 240-watt USB-C cable, 1.5 meters, a 2-meter power cord, and a user-friendly instruction manual, offering a comprehensive solution for your charging needs. The AuroCare 3D Pinball Puzzle EG0 offers a nostalgic dive into the classic arcade experience with a modern twist. Comprising 482 intricately designed wooden pieces and sophisticated electronics, this puzzle transforms into a fully operational pinball machine upon assembly. The engaging build process spans approximately 12 hours, allowing for a rewarding hands-on project. Once complete, players can immerse themselves in a dynamic, multi-level playfield equipped with tracks, bouncers, and vibrant lights, complemented by authentic sound effects that recreate the thrill of 90s pinball gaming. This isn't just a puzzle, it's an interactive game where you can continually challenge yourself to surpass your high score, making each session uniquely exciting. ROKR Vitascope Movie Projector 3D is a captivating fusion of classic cinema and hands-on craftsmanship. This unique device, designed to operate without batteries or cables, features a hand-crank generator that powers the projector, offering a nostalgic experience reminiscent of early movie technology. The Vitascope includes 58-frame clips from silent films, which are revealed as you turn the intricately designed wooden handle. With approximately 183 parts, the assembly process is both engaging and educational, taking around 6 hours to complete. Once assembled, it offers adjustable focus and distance settings, transforming your space into a mini theater perfect for sharing with friends and family. Ideal for film enthusiasts and puzzle aficionados alike, the ROKR Vitascope combines historical charm with interactive fun. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest room gadgets and tech innovations. See you in the next video.